By the end of this video, you will know how to delete contacts in HubSpot CRM. Start inside your HubSpot account and go to Contacts, then Contacts. This opens the main contacts list, where all saved contact records appear in one place. If you are working in a busy account with many entries, take a moment to make sure you are looking at the correct list before continuing. Once you are on the contacts page, find the contact you want to remove. When you have the right record in view, select the checkbox next to that contact. This checkbox marks the record for the next action, so make sure the selection is correct before moving on. After the contact is selected, look at the action bar at the top of the contacts list. In that bar, click Delete. HubSpot will open a Delete Record dialog so you can review the action before it is completed. This step matters because deleting a contact is a permanent change, and HubSpot asks for one more confirmation before it removes the record. In the confirmation dialog, read the message carefully. The dialog will show the number of records that are about to be deleted. Since you selected one contact, this will usually show one record, but the dialog reflects whatever is currently selected. Reading this message helps you confirm that the action matches what you intended to do in the list. Next, type the number of records shown in the confirmation box. HubSpot uses this as a verification step to make sure the deletion is intentional. Enter the number exactly as displayed in the dialog. If the number does not match, the delete action will not go through, so it is worth checking it once before you continue. After you enter the number, click Delete in the dialog to permanently remove the selected contact. This confirms the deletion and sends the request to HubSpot. At this point, the system begins processing the change. Give HubSpot a moment to complete the deletion. The processing time is usually brief. Once the action finishes, the confirmation dialog will close. If it takes a moment longer, just wait for the system to complete the request before checking the list again. Finally, verify that the contact has been removed from your contacts list. Look through the list and confirm that the deleted contact no longer appears. This final check helps you make sure the record was actually removed and that the correct contact was deleted. If the contact is no longer visible in the list, the deletion has been completed. Your selected HubSpot contact is now permanently removed from the contacts list.